Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving an Excel question from 2017 to 2018 past question. So here's the question. Section B, question 1. So Ivy, write the Excel formula to answer the following questions. A, the total annual salary and year-end bonus. The highest annual salary. C, the least year-end bonus. D, the average annual salary. And E, the mean year-end bonus. Okay, so these are table. Okay, so let's start with A, the total annual salary and year-end bonus. Okay. So total. To find the total, we use the sum function. So equals sum into bracket. Then you select the range you want to add. So right now you're adding from C2 to C16. Okay, so 486,000. The year-end bonus equals sum. So we can also do it manually instead of bragging. Maybe you just type. So once you're starting from D7, you just type D2. Then add a column. Then write, or we type D16. So that's 1,800. Okay, the next question is B, the highest annual salary. The highest annual salary. Highest. And to find the highest, you use the function called max. So equals max into brackets. Then you select. So you select from C2 to C16. Then close the brackets. Enter. So the max is 57,000. So when we look through that, we'll see that 57,000 is the highest. The rest are low. Yeah. Okay, see. The least year-end bonus. The least. So least. So to find the least, you use the mean function. So equals mean into brackets. Then you select the range from D2 to D16. Enter. 1,000. Now when you look through, you see that 1,000 is the least year-end bonus. 1,000. Okay, so what's the next question? D, the average annual salary. The average annual salary. Average annual salary. Average annual salary. So equals average. In brackets. And you select from cell C2 to C16. Put your brackets. Enter. 32,400. The last question is the mean year-end bonus. So the mean is the same as average. So we use the same function. We can here equals average. Your brackets, and select from D2 to D16. Push a bracket, enter. Yeah, so basically we are done with the question. I'm done with this question. I'm done with this question, Ivy. I'm done with Ivy. So total annual salary. Um, Total annual salary. Uh, So the answer will be equals sum equals sum, then open bracket C2 to C16. So this is how I write it. C2, then your column to C16, then you close the bracket. The next one is total year end. That year end bonus. That one is equals sum into brackets. That one is from cell D2 to D16. D2 to D16. So sum D2 to D16. D16. Okay, so this for A. So B, the highest annual salary. So with that one, we use the max function. So equals max into brackets highest annual salary equals max C2 to C16 equals max C2 to C16 inclusion brackets. Okay, see the least year end bonus. So that one is equals mean brackets year end bonus. So D2 to D16, D2 to D16 question market. Then question D. Average annual salary equals average into brackets average annual salary. So C2 to C16, C2 to C16, C2 to C16. Okay, so finally the mean year end bonus. Now we use the average function now, so equals average brackets D2 to D16, D2 to D16. Yeah, so we are done. Average D2 to D16. So we are done. This for question 1, the IV.